Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel, and it is time for another sneak peek at our January release. Today I'm going to be showcasing some stencils and a cut and foil set. So you're getting a peek at them right now. I'm not going to show you the actual products, so we're going to jump right into hot foiling. I'm using that to hot foil sentiments for both of my cards today with a little plate set that says love you. Now you can configure this in two different ways, straight across, or you can stack it, which I think is super cool. So I have put mine straight across on the heart from this same set. It has two dies that go with it, this heart and a dainty heart, and therefore it's called the Dainty Heart cut and foil set. So I am going to use this on my card, and I went ahead and did some ink blending over the top with my lumberjack plaid and then spritzed it with some water because I love a splattered look, and you can see how it kind of gets lighter at the top. So good. All right, this is the Dainty Heart itself with that nice little scallop around the edge that Trinity Stamps is known for. I cut mine from holographic paper to match my kind of silver holographic foil that I used, and I'm going to set that aside and show you my background. This is a new stencil set of two. It has hearts and X's, and it is the Checkered background add-on heart stencil. And here is the checkered part. This is a sold separately checkered stencil. It's a rotating stencil, so you can do different colors, and the two stencil sets work together, so you can put the hearts onto the checkers. It's so cool. I used some paste on mine today, so I had to let everything dry. Once it was dry, I added a bit of ink to the edge, the same lumberjack red I used on the hearts, but coming in with a really light hand, just doing a dusting around all four sides of this background panel. Now, both my cards today are going to end up measuring 5 by 5, so that's why they are square. I am taking a piece of vellum, and I'm going to put this across the center of this background panel. So I put double stick tape on the ends and made this about 6 inches long, and then a little bit of vellum adhesive in the middle to stick it down. I'll wrap those ends around, and then they won't be able to be seen, and you've got the vellum like wrapped around the paper, which I think is so fun. I added a bit more sticky tape to the back so I could wrap a little bit of silver cord around the center of this card, just for some added element of silver. I like repeating the same element. So I've got silver X's, silver twine, silver hot foiling. I've got my silver die cut there, and all the red makes for a really fun card. Okay, so this is the background for card number 2. I use that Dainty Heart to cut out the center of my background, and I can save that and use it for something else. I'm temporarily adhering down my window sheet to the back of this and my heart so I could see where I wanted to hot foil the words love you on this heat resistant acetate. I did this with the same silver foil, and there you can see it's love you hot foiled but stacked this time. So now I can go ahead and put all of that back together to create a shaker. So I have added glue to the back of my background, and I can lay that down over my window sheet and pick up my hot foiling. Now, to go behind this, I wanted an ink blended background so I could do the little splattery part. So I'm using saltwater taffy to create a background for my shaker, which is the same color I used on the plaid that's on the front of the card. I'm going to splatter this one with some Perfect Pearls this time, just for an added bit of shimmer, because shimmer's fun, right? I love all the shimmery products we have nowadays. Love it. All right, then once while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'll add that heart die cut back in and glue it in place and get my shaker panel ready to go. So I have some double-sided foam tape. I'm building a reservoir around the edge for my shaker bits. I'm going to glue down my background to my 5 by 5 card base first, then I can bring in my shaker bits, which are brand new hearts, and they're called Shimmer hearts. They're kind of clear with an iridescent silver finish, perfect to go with my foil and my background with those silver hearts that I used paste over. So there is my shaker. It's pretty simple. Like, I didn't do any other embellishments, but that's because the background is like the star of this show. So here are all the cards I made using these fun new products. They are going to be on the Trinity Stamps website as of January 3rd. 2023. So only a few more days and you'll be able to purchase all these fun goodies in the January release. Be sure to stay tuned between now and then for more sneak peeks. I'll be back again tomorrow with another one just for you. So I will see you then. Happy stamping. Bye.